In the final chapter of To Kill a Mockingbird, the legal details have been settled. Boo insists on seeing Jim one more time before leaving. He and Scout return to the room where Alexander sits by Jim's side. Hesitantly, Boo reaches out and touches Jim's hair. With that, Boo asks Scout to take him home. At the front door, Scout instructs Boo to bend his arm as she slips her hand into the together. Together they walk like a lady and a gentleman, all the way to the Radley door. As Boo goes inside, Scout remarks that it was the last time she had ever seen Radley again. She sees the neighborhood in a way she had never viewed it before. The new vantage makes her realize that for years, Boo has had a ringside seat from which to observe everything. She realizes, too, that from this vantage point, Boo Radley watched her and Jim growing up as if they were his children. Scout thinks once more about Atticus's advice about walking in another person's shoes. She returns home to find Atticus reading at Jim's bedside. Scout curls up beside him and falls asleep. Scout's walk with Boo demonstrates how far she's come in the story. Showing Boo how to properly escort a woman offers him dignity. From his porch, she grows even more, coming to understanding how things appear from Boo's viewpoint. She realizes he had come to regard her and Jim as much more than just neighborhood kids. In this last chapter, Lee comes around once more time of the idea of empathy, of all the topics presented in the novel: race, class, equality, morality. It's the care for others that abides.